Romeo steps in to try and rescue Medineo and Katlego's relationship.
She is a child who bullies me. She bullies me. In which sense? Katlego says to me, "Nkadime phone." Yesterday, the entire trip, my phone was on the back seat by her hands. Without suspicion of she can do anything. She went into my chat with the brother. The husband come to meet her. She could have advocated. How do you see mama? Nna ke ne ke mo ratile as my son-in-law. Ke ne ke mo ratile. O khona go tla go nkgobotla mo di TV gore ntwa ka ya nela. Ntwa ka ya nela, yes. Ke ene o tshwantsa mplela thaka tsaka di tla mplela. Bo mogadi ka ne ba tla mplela nga ngwana mplela dilo tseo. Ke a mo seba ke botsa mma gore entle challenge ya botshelo ka ngwana ke re kae. Ke a mo seba. Ke mme wa ka, I can go to her for advices and guidance. Wa ke phalela.
Do you care to explain like we kutla jang?
Whoever will look at me in a different way, Mewaka will come in and destroy that. That's how I feel. Onalibo tadele my husband. That is why I'm classifying as good riddance. She called my husband. I'm 10 years ago. My husband said to him, "Ma, I'm not comfortable with listening to everything about Katlego, the ex-boyfriend, and I know definitely if you go against my mother, you are going to feel the wrath of it."
The relapse is the issue of privacy. She will probably address the issue of privacy. You want to address the issue of good riddance. And that's why all I'm saying is our focus right now is the two of you. And this is what we spoke about in our last session. Our priority, it's the both of you.
Romeo spends the rest of his morning with Team Khosegadi, trying his best to sow understanding between the two.